today I'm here with a super special project, so let's take a look. So hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm super excited to share with you this album. So this is a project that I created for my February subscription box. So if you're part of the box, thank you so much, and thank you so much for your patience, because this was for last month and we're moving right into the March collection, which I'm really excited about as well. But sometimes the paper is so pretty and it's a little bit hard to break into, and I really wanted to make something really special. So I absolutely love how these came out, and I hope that you guys like it as well. So if you are not part of the subscription box, I will probably have some kits. I'll check if I do, but I'll have this listed on the description box as a standalone box. So this is the February box, and so yeah, I will also have this as a video class only. Again, all listed on the description box below. So now let's go ahead and take a look. This book measures 8 by 7. We have three signatures, super interactive, and then we also have the 2 inside covers. And then here we have beautiful elements again from the collection. These are some chipboard ephemera pieces. We have some flowers. Everything comes part of the box. There are also other flowers on the kit or box that I did not get to use, so you can of course use those for a different project as well. And then I added a lot of the beautiful little fairies here on the cover, and then some glossy accents for the wings and just different elements to make these a little bit more shiny. And so yeah, so here is the back of the book. I love the size. I love how chunky and heavy it came out. So let's go ahead and take a look inside. So when you open this up, over here on the inside front cover, we have this beautiful image. Again, everything is part of the collection. I did complement with some solid green cardstock, so I'm using different tones of the green here that you will see. So it is quite a large book. You will need probably a lot of cardstock. I am using only one of the 8x8 paper collections, and then the rest is just the solid cardstock here. So over here we have a accordion fold, so you can add a lot of pictures here, and then of course more on the back there as well. This opens up like that. Place for a picture, you can place it under that image, and then over here again the beautiful paper, and then this opens up, and then this opens up like that. These are places for just mainly 4x6 pictures, so I left those blank, but those open up like that. And another place for a picture, some of the journaling cards if you wanted to add some dates or something in there. And then this opens down here again, and then more of the chipboard ephemera here, and then the beautiful dresses, and then this opens to the side and it pulls to the side, so we have a little secret page right there like that, and all of that closes. So that is the inside front cover. And then we get here to the first page, and then we have these are the 4x3. I think they're smaller than 4x3, but it opens up, so you have a lot of places here for smaller pictures. And then this piece comes out and you can add pictures there of course, and then this opens up and it opens up here. So this is the pocket here, so you have kind of like a secret tunnel there to lock in this page. Then we open that up here. This is a pocket, opens here again, and again the beautiful image of the paper collection, places for pictures. And then this is an easel card, so it opens up like that, or an easel page. And then these 2 sides also open up. Whoops. And then this is a pocket back here, so you can add more photo mats there on the inside. And of course you can also add pictures here on the back if you wanted to. And so yeah, so I love this page. I love the collection of course. So all of that closes and closes. And then this piece just kind of goes through both of these pages to close it up. So it goes up like that. Then over here we have the next two pages. I love the coordination of the colors. I mean, it's so pretty, the green and the purple. And I even use all of my little leftover pieces to add here. And just as a little tip, I did not have enough long pieces to add, but what I did is I used even the smaller pieces and I just cut two and combine them. So just a little tip there, because you probably won't have enough long little pieces, but it's totally okay if you just kind of combine a couple there. So that's what I did for most of them. You can't even tell that those are joined in two. Over here we have a trifold little card, so this opens up like that, and then you can add the small little pictures in there. I just wanted this feature here. I haven't done this in a while, and it was really fun to kind of recreate. And then again, places for pictures. You can do some little journaling, and it was fun to use all of those little scrap pieces of paper to kind of finish up this page. This took a little long cutting all of these little pieces, but I think it's absolutely worth it. It's so cute. Then this opens up like that, and then over here we have again another 3D page. This opens up, and then this opens down, so you can see different tones of green. I didn't want to use just one color for the background, so I have this package of greens from also Recollections, and it just comes with a variety of different tones, and I use all of those here. And then these two also open up, so lots of room for pictures there. And then some of the chipboard ephemera there as well, and then all of that closes. Then we go on to this page here. We have another little ephemera, beautiful fairy dress made out of leaves, so cute. This opens here, and then just a place for a picture, and then this opens up, place for picture back here, so you can add your picture on the back. This is actually an upside down pocket, so you can add another large photo mat in here. This goes all the way up, add a picture back there, and then this opens down like this. And then we have over here two spinning features, so this spin and spin here. There we go. And then we have two accordion folds, and the accordion fold also has a platform page back there. So this open up like that, and then this open up like that here. So I really like how this page came out. Super dynamic, really fun, movable pieces. And then this all closes up like that. Then on to the next page over here. Again, the beautiful collection. So over here, this page is kind of fun. So we have this feature with the fairy dresses on the fairy boutique, and then this slides to the side, and this opens here. And then I wanted to also use this as a belly band, so you can add a large photo mat back there all the way down, and then these two open up, so you can kind of use the belly band here, and then this will close and kind of keep whatever you put in there secure. So I like that. I didn't put any of the additional photo mats. There will probably just be pictures in there. And then this opens to the side here as well, large area for a picture. And then this opens and opens. I just left those blank. And then these two also open down. So again, another large area for a picture here. And then you can add a magnet if you want it here, but I think this just closes just fine. So this one closes, and then this slides here on the front. And I do have a magnet right there, but because the page is a little chunky, it's not really connecting, but that's okay. Then we get to this next page. This is kind of like a little envelope page. So this over here opens up like that, and then over here this side opens like this, and then here we have another hidden pocket on the side, and then a large area for a picture there. I think I forgot to, oh, there's a magnet here. I don't know how the magnet got in there. But then this opens down, and then we have two of these sliding little features here again, so you can put pictures over here. I try to make these so you can put 4x6 pictures here, so if you don't add the cardstock, you can put a 4x6 pretty much. And then this opens up like that to the side, and I forgot to add paper here. And then this closes and closes, and then this whole thing just magnetizes in there. On the next two pages here, these, I love this page. So instead of cutting the little pieces, I just kept the whole thing as a beautiful display. This opens to the side, and then we have a kind of like an insert here, movable insert for this side pocket. And then of course you can always pull this all the way out and add pictures there as well, and use the pocket here. But I like tucking this in and just kind of creating this sliding feature there. Then this opens up, and we have another 3D page right over here, so places for pictures. And then this opens, and then this opens here as well. And this is one of the, again, the ephemera pieces, so I just added it for some decoration, but you can put a picture there as well. And then the back inside cover is this feature here. So this is basically its own little book. So this slides to the side, and it is attached to the book, so it won't come out any farther here, but it is its own little booklet. So over here this opens to the side, and then it opens up, and then this also opens to the side, and then down here this opens to the side, and it opens down, and then it opens to the side again. So lots of room for pictures, larger area if you want to put a 5x7, and all of these. And all of that goes in there. And so I hope that you guys enjoy the walkthrough. I hope that you like this book as much as I do. I love it. I love everything about fairies, and this collection of course is so beautiful. So again, I'm gonna have the link to my subscription box on the description box below, and also a link to the video class only option for this book as well. And I want to thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye.